Hello everyone, Andy here. We have all heard it, never miss a workout. But what if the best thing you could do for your body today is rest? It sounds strange, right? But by the end of this video, you'll understand why recovery is not a setback. It's one of the most powerful tools you have to build strength, longevity, and stick around, because we'll also preview of my 45-day creatine test. And let's just say they surprised, disappointed, and amazed me. The idea of no days off sounds heroic. We see it everywhere. Posters, influencers, even some trainers. But here's the truth. Pushing your body every single day, especially as we get older, can actually slow your progress. Experts agree. Our bodies need time to rebuild and adapt. Without recovery, muscles can't repair and your energy drops instead of climbing. If you're over 60, skipping rest can mean more inflammation, joint pain, or even injury. So let's throw out that no days myth once and for all. Let's talk about what happens when you rest. While you're asleep or take a rest, your body gets busy rebuilding those small muscle fibers you broke down during workouts. Your muscle system resets, hormones rebalance, inflammation cools off. That's when strength actually happens. Not while you're exercising, but while you're recovering from it. So when you take that rest day, you're not quitting, you're finishing the job. Now, let me tell you what brought me here. Lately, I've been on a roll. My 5BX60 workouts, my biking, my pickleball, and the jump rope challenge. And then one morning, I woke up sore. Not the usual kind of sore. It was my body saying, hey, Andy, it better ease up. So I did. I rested. And when I came back, everything felt sharper. My balance, my push-ups, even my focus. That's when it all clicked. Discipline isn't just about doing more. It's about when to pause. And the science backs this up. The American College of Sports Medicine says we all need at least one full rest or active recovery day per week, especially over 60. And the Mayo Clinic warns that overtraining can actually weaken your immune system and increase joint pain. So if your body says take a break, it's not laziness, it's wisdom. And that's how you build strength that lasts, not just stamina for today. Here's how to know when to slow down. If persistent soreness occurs, lingering fatigue, low motivation, or pain that changes how you move. When you feel any of these, back off. Don't stop completely. Just shift to active recovery. That's what I love about the 5BX60 program. It gives you 5 simple moves that adapt to your energy level. 1 is toe touches, loosens your spine and stretches your back. 2, crunches, strengthens your core for better posture. 3, Superman, improve your back and balance. 4, push-ups, build upper body power. 5, cardio, march, walk, or jump rope. Whatever fits your day. Every move keeps you active without overdoing it, and that's how we stay aging strong. Now, before we wrap up, Friday's episode is going to be a big one. I'm revealing my 45-day creatine test results, and honestly, they left me surprised, disappointed, and amazed all at once. You won't want to miss it, so make sure you subscribe and tap that notification bell and tell a friend who's following this journey. It's going to be a good one. Before we go, a quick reminder, I'm not your doctor, so always check with your healthcare professional before starting or changing or pausing any exercise program. Your body is unique. Listen to it, respect it, and move forward safely. Now here's the takeaway. You don't have to crush every single day to stay fit. Real strength comes with consistency and wisdom. Rest when your body asks for it, and you'll bounce back stronger than ever. Until next time, reminding you to age strong, rest smart, and keep moving forward.